Hi everyone! If you don't know me well, I also have some video skills, so I can shoot, edit, and repeat videos. And today I want to show you how I made my last music video. Let's watch some part of it.
Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me.
Okay, now let's see what are the steps for shooting a music video. Let's go to first one. Choosing location. One of the most important part of the video shooting is to choose best location for you. I had so many options that I show you now. I chose this one because it was big enough and it didn't have any white walls, which is not professional to have it in your videos. And as you can see in this studio, they have some white walls, which is not suitable for music video. And I also consider the decoration and lighting, which is very important to make your video more beautiful. Let's see the location. I'm gonna shoot a music video for Alexandra, my friend, and I'm gonna show you how I'm shooting it. You can see the back scene and the final one. Let's start. Equipment. What equipment I use for this music video? I shot this video with my Fuji X-T4 and my 35 f2.0 Fuji non-lens. And for lighting, I had two Volimax 500 watt LED, and that's it. I just had a camera with two lights. Composition. As you know, the singer is the most important of any music. So I put her in front of the camera and more closer to the camera, have focus on her. And I also placed the guitar player to the back, which is very common, and I thought it was the best location for them. In the most of the scenes, I used rule of thirds, which I taught you before in my video. Lighting. As I said in the lighting part, I use just two lights. They were my key lights. I also used two background lights, which was the decoration lights to just make my scene more beautiful. I used one of my lights in the back because I wanted to separate my subject, which was my singer, from background. And I used the second light as a key light. It was on right side to feel her face, and I also wanted to have shadow in other side of her face to make it more cinematic. For the shooting, again, as I said, I just used one camera. The solution for having so many angles was to shoot the video like 4, 5 or 6 times in different angles and to be able to switch between them. I shot mostly on tripod, but I also have 2 or 3 handheld angles. As you can see now, this is the handheld one and this is the tripod. So for the angles, I used a wide angle to have all the scene in my screen, and one medium and one close-up. And as I said, I also had one handheld, which was traveling all around the scene. And I can say it was my favorite. And in the end, I mixed all of these angles. Editing. I shot this video in F-Log to have more dynamic range when I want to edit the video, and color grading. From 0 to 100 I use Premiere Pro for this video. This is the color grade layer. When I switch it on or off, you can see how it affects my colors. And here you can see the original music that I synchronize with the video. Premiere does a very great job in auto synchronization and also for cameras. I nearly had 7 angles that you can see, and I used Premiere's tool to synchronize all the camera at once in a very short time. And after you synchronize it, you can just cut your video and choose the best scene for yourself. If you want to learn more in detail, please just comment in comment section. I will make a video of how to edit a video. And in the end, I exported in 1920 to 1080, which is HD, and it is 30 frames per second. Everyone can watch it, and it has the best quality. And it would be great to subscribe to my channel. It gives me more energy to make new videos. Please share this video to your friends. Like the video, comment in comment section, and don't forget to shoot, edit, and repeat. See you in next videos.